Salam, hello and welcome. And today I'm going to look at the front hub of the Yamaha Banshee, do some servicing there and show you how to do the same. Check out this pin. I really appreciate if you take a minute to like the video and subscribe so you can get more of these videos. The bike is up and we got the wheel out. Now I'm going to remove the hub to have a good look at the bearings here. But first I need to remove this pin. And then I'm going to remove the castle nut, which is 22 millimeters. And the washer. And these are two 13 millimeter bolts. You gotta hate it when the bolt falls in such difficult place. Anyway, I'm gonna remove the bar so it's gonna come down. And now with the brake caliper out of the way, I can just reach out and remove the hub. And here it is. So this thing was not serviced in many years. In fact, I've never done it before. It relies on minimal friction by applying grease on this spindle and also the bearings inside. So I'm going to clean the whole thing and apply a fresh grease. And the fact that we have this spin, that means the bearings are alright. I don't hear any grinding. The tire has good spin overall. So this is just about servicing. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this ring out and I will keep it aside for now. I'm going to clean the inner part. I'm not going to apply any brake cleaner or hard solvent because I want to preserve these seals, the back seal and the front seal. So instead of brake cleaner, I'm going to be using WD-40 or similar product. Now one more thing I would like to do is to wipe the inner side clean, and I'll use a wet wipe or wet cloth for that. You can use what you have. And to reach to this, I'll use a screwdriver. I'll wrap the wet wipe around it and then stick it in. And I'll apply some circular motion like this as I take it all the way in. And then I'm going to pull it from the other side and look at that. All that stuff is not supposed to be in. And always apply a visual check. See if there's any debris still in there or not. I see a couple of them. And then do a second round and do a third round if you have to. A good way to do it also is just hold it like that and spin the hub on the cloth. That actually looks pretty clean. That looks nice. Can be tricky when you try to clean the bearing outer race or inner race because they are spinning. So you can apply this kind of motion instead of circular motion. Right, and this one is pretty good, pretty clean. And then at the end, I'm going to apply brake cleaner. I'll be careful not to come in contact with these rubber parts. And look how much dirt came out of this thing. Now, not all of it was inside, but some of it was inside. So I'm glad we're doing this servicing. Now the spindle can be cleaned with brake cleaner, no issues whatsoever, because there are no rubber parts. It's just this metal rod. Then I'll just give it a wipe. Now I'm going to give it a good coat of grease. Be generous, and then you can always wipe off the excess. Now, one important part that should not go overlooked is to make sure that the inner part of the seal is fully lubricated. The front one, the back one, every one. And then you can wipe the excess grease. Again, don't forget the ring. Keep the outer part where it used to be. Keep the inner part exactly where it used to be, and just push it back. Now I'll take it out and check if there's any excess grease, and actually there isn't. I would like to apply a little bit more here. This looks good. The grease is all over the spindle. That's how it should be. And just wipe the excess from the back of the seal. Alright, and now the final clean for the threads. And then we're going to install the nut back. Now I'm going to give it a fresh pin. That's a good wheel spin. Let's check the spin. It's spinning and spinning and keeps spinning. Now all of that is extra horsepower gains that you really don't have to do any kind of hard work to make this kind of gain. It's just simple service. Now I'm going to go and do the same exact thing on the second wheel. Thank you very much for watching. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And take care, stay safe, and do it yourself.